Hi, in this video we will learn about two codes, UPC and ISBN-10. These are two widely used codes which are error detecting, and the technology, the mechanism is used is check digit codes. So let's start with the UPC. UPC is short for Universal Product Code. This can be found almost on everything that you buy from a store. And what these are codes. So UPC codes are from Z10 to the power 12. Means that the codes you're seeing will have B1, B2 up to B11, and the last one, again, we add the digit. Yes, check digit. That's total 12, and the digits are coming B1, B2 up to B11, and D are coming from Z10, meaning that we'll have number 0, 1, 2 up to 9. The digits are these ones. Well, we need to know what is the check vector for these guys. Check vector is 3, 1, 3, 1, and this continues up to 3, 1. What you should check to check if a vector is correct or not is that, as always, we do for the check digit codes, CV is equal to 0 in Z10 or not. Well, in this case, there's a funny thing happening. You see that the check code is alternating 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. And if you dot product that with the vector, given vector, what happens is that all the digits in the odd position will be multiplied by 3. So 3b1 plus 3b3 plus 3b5 up to 3b11. And all the digits in the even positions will be multiplied by 1. So it will be B2, B3, B2, B4 plus B6 up to B10, and then D. And checking this, sometimes it's nice to see that these guys, you can add the odd digits, the digits in the odd position, and then multiply by 3, plus add all the digits in the even positions. And and when you add these two numbers, this must be equal to 0. That's UPC, and you can find almost everywhere. The other one is International Standard Book Number, ISBN. Well, these codes, well, we put 10 also here because ISBN has two versions, ISBN 10, ISBN 13. ISBN 13 has 13 digits, but ISBN 10 has only 10 of them. Are code vectors from, so it has 10 digits, but the digits are coming from Z11. In other words, the vector, the ISBN vectors are B1, B2 up to B9, and then there's a check digit. and B1 up to B9, and D are digits from Z11. Z11 is 0, 1, 2, up to 10. But since we like to have numbers, just digits, 10 is two digits itself. So that's why instead of 10 in this ISBN 10 codes, we will use 10. X, sorry. Yes. And well, knowing that one, we need to know one last thing. Check vector. Check vector C in this case is 10, 9, 8, 6. So it's X 9, 8, and goes down up to 1. And what is the condition that must be satisfied? This is C dot V must be 0 in what? In Z11. Okay, so these ones, let's just then do some examples here. Okay, we have ISBN and UPC code, and the question asks if these guys are correct or not. Actually says that show that these cannot be correct. Let's see these ones. So UPC, you remember this is CV must be 0 where in Z10, and C is 3, 1, 3, 1 up to 3, 1 dot 6, 3, 9, 3, 0, 8, 2, 0, 1, 0, 3, 9. Remember what we said? Add the entries on the odd position. Plus 6 plus 9 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. Multiply them by 3, and then add the digits in the even positions. This guy 3. Let me check this one. Okay, then another 3. Add them. 8, 0, 0, 9. This must be equal to 0 in Z10. Let's see what we have here. This is 15, 17, 18, 21. 21 in Z10 is 1 plus. Here I have a 3, 3, 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 9 is 23. So we have 3 there. Yes, so this gives me that CV is equal to 6, which is not 0. So that means that there is an error in this code. How about ISBN 10? Remember ISBN 10, we have 10 digits, but they're coming from Z11. So we have to check CV. C.V is 0 where in Z11. And while C, the check vector is 10, 9, 8, 7 up to 1 dot 0, 4, 7, 1, 1, 9 X 4, 7, 0. Okay, so here multiply, then for X I will write, when I multiply I write 10. 10 times 0 plus 9 times 4 plus 8 times 7 plus 7 times 1 plus 6 times 1 plus 9 times 1 5 times 9 plus 4 times 10 plus 3 times 4 plus 2 times 7 and the last one is 1 times 0. So I will do everything in Z11. This guy is 0. This is 36. 36 in Z11 is 3 plus 8 times 7 is 56. 56 in Z11 is 1. 7 is 7. 6 is 7. 5 times 9, 45. In Z11 it is 1. This is 4D in Z11, that is 7. 12 in Z11 is 1. 2 times 7 is 14. That's 3 in Z11. And the last thing is 0. Okay. Very nice. These two guys are together 0. Well, let me just add everything. Yes. So, well, these are not 0 in Z11. I have to do everything in Z11. So these 3 is 11 and 17, 18, 25, 26, 29. 29 in Z11 is nothing but 7. And obviously that's not 0. That's why there's an error in that code. Okay, let's do this one. Well, in these cases, we will find the missing or check digit, or the missing, in this case, you see there's a missing code. We can actually find that missing code. Let's see how. Remember, C dot V needs to be equal to 0 where in Z11. And C is X 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if we find C dot V, what we get is 0 times X is 0 plus 9 times 1 is 9 plus 8 times 7. 56 in Z11, that is 1. 7 times 6 is 42 in Z11, that is 9. 6 times 5 is 30 in Z11, that is 8 plus. Let me put A here. 5 times A plus 4 times 9 is 36. That's 3 in Z11, 6, 18 is 7, and 9 is 9. This must be equal to 0. And, well, let's just do a little bit more. Let's just compute all these constants. This is 19 and 37, 40, 46, 54 and 63. So 5A plus 63 in Z11 is 8. And now we have 5A equal. To get rid of this 8, we can add both sides by 3. And, well, to divide this guy, what is the number in Z11? When I multiply it to 5, I get 1. Well, let's just check. 0 is not true, 1 is not true, 2 is not true, 3 is 15 is not true in Z11. 4 is not true, 5 is not true, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the one. 5 times 9 is 45. 45 in Z11 is 1. So we multiply both sides by 9. So this will be A equals to 3 times 9. 3 times 9 in Z11 is what? 27. That's 5. So the missing digit here is 5. Well, I hope that this shows you enough of the computation. You have to do lots of work, and for each code you have the check vector and where the computations are done. I will leave these two next example for you to find the missing digits.